Today I'd like to show you in QuickBooks 2018 desktop version how to access a report, how to customize the header on the report if you choose to do that, and then finally how to save your report as a PDF file. PDF files are very user-friendly. They're kind of like the equivalent of a JPEG graphic file. It's very universal. So a lot of times if somebody doesn't have a particular program on their computer, oftentimes they can save a document as a PDF and attach it as a file to an email message, for example. So today I've got open Chapter 2, Average Guide Designs from your text, and I'm going to record, as I'm doing right now, how to do these steps. So for example, we're at the home page. If you'd like to go up and run a report, you can go to the Reports menu on the top of the screen, right where my mouse is clicking and it turns green. When you pull down to it, you can go down to Report Center. This is a center that will show you every type of report that you can print out with QuickBooks. And right now, for the ease of simplicity, I'm just going to pull down on the left-hand side to where it says List. And we're going to look at the chart of accounts. It's called the account listing. And you'll notice that the lists are identified by name. So this is the customer list for Average Guide Designs. This is the vendor. If I scroll down, employees are next. Other names, other contacts are next. Then we get down into listings. And I'm going to click on the account listing. This is the chart of accounts, which lists every account or holding area for data in your business. So I'm just going to double click it and it's going to bring it up. And right now it shows you that it's 12:09 p.m. Today is the 22nd of January. It will automatically update that for you. And up here we have some buttons. And what I'd like you to do is go to Customize Report and Header Footer. Now, under Header Footer, if you ever want to put your name behind or inside of the company name, you can do that by just scrolling and clicking an insertion point to the far right, for example, putting a backslash and putting your name. Okay. And if you want to see that in action, then you click OK, and there it is, Kathy Marquette. If you want to do this before you submit your reports in QuickBooks, that would be appreciated. If you don't, I should be able to tell by your file submission. But my campus students have to do that because when they hit the printer button and it prints out on the printer, they have no way of knowing whose account listing this is unless they have their name on the top. Now, we are ready to go ahead and save this as a PDF file. Reports are the only things that you can save as a PDF. I can't go into the general journal and just click on that and save it as a PDF. It has to be a report like a account listing, balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flow. If you have issues in the future with something on your screen that you want me to look at and you want to send it to me in an email, you can use your snipping tool. And I'm going to select my snipping tool right down here by circling it. And you can use that on any software application that you have open. You can send me a snip as an attachment so that I can look at your QuickBooks to determine what's wrong with your data entry or what's not working right. If it's not here on the bottom of your taskbar, you can go to your Windows button and you can search snipping tool and it'll show it to you. Right now, back to QuickBooks, we're going to go to the File menu and we're going to pull down to Save as a PDF. When we do that, it automatically defaults the file name to a .pdf and save as file type. You will want to save this on your desktop, or you will want to save it in Active Directory or your USB drive, whichever one you would like. So I'm just going to simply put Chapter 2 Count Listing Average Guy Designs. Okay, And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to save it on my desktop. I don't recommend that you do that. I recommend that you find it underneath your USB drive, Active Directory, if you have a subfolder. Right now, I have on my desktop a backup folder for spring of 19. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to click Save. So it's working on converting it. So now you have that saved as a PDF. You would then go ahead and open it from your drive and send it as an attachment to your assignments or as an email. Always remember to back up your company, and usually you want to do that with creating a local backup, and you will want to do that here. And you will save it now, and then you will save it wherever you would like it to be. And it will be saved as a QBW backup file. That ends the quick lesson on how to customize a report header and to save a file as a PDF.